Hey everyone, so today I'm going to share how to install VS Code on MacBook. So this is my MacBook Air M1 and I was struggling to install VS Code and I was not finding the proper solutions. So first I will let you know why I was not able to install VS Code properly and what error I was getting. So if I share you this, so this is the error I was getting. Bad CPU type in executable, and then I was getting this error which is set default username. I was struggling to uh, find the answer for this on my MacBook Air M1 chipset. So I found something, I found the solution, so I thought I will share with you. So first of all, we have to install VS Code, and then we have to install CLI. So the reason I was getting this error on my laptop, because I did not the Java which I had, it was on the older version. So I installed the JDK 11 and it fixed these errors. Okay, so you can go to this URL code.visualstudio.com and you can select Apple Silicon, and then you can download and it will work for the MacBook M1. So I'll go and show you here. So I have already opened this code.visualstudio.com, and you have to scroll down and you have to come here, and here is the option for MacBook, and you have to download the Apple Silicon, because the MacBook Air M1 is Apple chipset. So you have to download the Apple Silicon, and once you download this you have to install it, and after installing this uh, you can download the CLI from this URL. Basically CLI, so this is the official website, and from here you can download, you can select Mac OS and you can download for Mac OS and you can install it. And after it you can go to this URL to install JDK 11. Once you click on this, it will take you to this page, and it will take you the home page, and you have to scroll down to here and make sure you're selecting the Mac OS option. And I install this x64 DMG installer, and I install this on my machine. And after that, if you can see my VS Code here, it is working. I even authenticating, it is authenticating successfully, or else it was creating uh, issues. So I was getting this issue, basically bad CPU type in executable, earlier without following this step. So if I show you now, if I simply go and uh, command shift and P, it will give me the this option. If I click on the authorize, it will authorize the org. If I click on, so I have already authorized it. I will try to show you. I will click on the open default org, and I will see if it opens or not. Okay, so yeah, you can see I have already opened here. So it will it may not ask, or it may ask for the, yeah, it is not asking instead, because I have already opened my Salesforce here, so it is taking that login. So this way you can install VS Code and CLI and JDK on your MacBook Air M1 chipset, and it will work fine. Thank you.